Did you know that nearly 30% of couples celebrate Valentine's Day by traveling? Have you ever thought about a romantic getaway for this special occasion? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'll be sharing the best Valentine's Day destinations for couples in 2025. Stick around because these spots will make your heart flutter and create unforgettable memories. Valentine's Day is the perfect time to whisk your partner away for a romantic adventure. But finding the ideal getaway that offers the right mix of romance, adventure, and relaxation can be a bit of a challenge, especially with everywhere being so busy during the Valentine's season. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's explore some absolutely dreamy destinations. First up, we have Paris, the city of love. Imagine strolling hand in hand along the Seine, indulging in delicious French pastries, and watching the Eiffel Tower sparkle at night. It's classic, it's romantic, and it never gets old. Next, let's talk about somewhere a little more adventurous. Santorini, Greece. With its stunning sunsets, crystal clear waters, and charming whitewashed buildings, it's no wonder this island is a top pick. Enjoy a sunset cruise, explore ancient ruins, or just relax in an infinity pool overlooking the Aegean Sea. If you're looking for something off the beaten path, why not consider Kyoto, Japan? With its beautiful temples, serene gardens, and the romance of cherry blossoms starting to bloom, it's like stepping into a fairy tale. Take a romantic boat ride down the Hozu River, or enjoy a traditional tea ceremony together. Alright, now for the top 3 romantic getaway destinations for Valentine's Day 2025. Coming in at number 3 is Venice, Italy. There's nothing quite like a gondola ride through the canals, serenaded by a gondolier, with the historic architecture as your backdrop. It's pure magic. At number 2, we have the Maldives. This paradise offers luxury overwater bungalows, pristine beaches, and private dinners under the stars. It's the perfect spot for couples looking to escape and unwind. And finally, my top pick for 2025 is Bali, Indonesia. From lush green rice terraces and stunning waterfalls to breathtaking beach sunsets and luxurious spas, Bali has it all. Whether you're after adventure or relaxation, this island will capture your heart. So there you have it. Paris, Santorini, Kyoto, Venice, the Maldives, and Bali, each offering something unique and unforgettable for your Valentine's Day escape. Which destination caught your eye? Drop a comment below with your favorite romantic getaway. Don't forget to share this video with your partner and hit that subscribe button for more travel tips and ideas. Thanks for watching and happy travels.